Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to see the state eligibility test notification for assistant professor from one of the state university and the commencement of online registration from 7th June 2021 onwards and the closing of online registration on 7th July 2021. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the set exam notification. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this notification. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so it is a notification of Tamil Nadu State Eligibility Test TNSET 2021 for assistant professor. Okay, so actually we got this notification from the social media, not from the official website of the Annamalai University. Okay, so please note down this point guys. And here the important dates: commencement of online registration 7th June 2021 and the closing of online registration 7th July 2021. So and the remaining dates are all will be announced later in the website. So right now I did not get any online registration regarding the set notification in the official website of Annamalai University. Okay, so we will see today up to evening. So is there any chance of opening the online registration? Fine. And while coming to the points, important instructions, total 18 pages are there this PDF. So I will tell you the important points regarding this one. So as per the comments, lot of comments, I observed that so many students are waiting for the Tamil Nadu State Eligibility Test. Okay, so this notification you might know or else you might not be know. But anyhow, whenever the online registration link opens in the official website, okay, then immediately I will come up with one more video guys. So conditions of eligibility: a minimum 55% of marks without rounding off at the master's level shall be essential qualification for direct recruitment of teachers and other equivalent cadets at any level. And the 5% relaxation will be allowed for the bachelor's as well as the master's level in the case of SC, ST and other backward classes non-creamy layer PWD. Okay, and the relaxation 5% is also available to the PhD degree holders who have obtained their master's degree prior to 19 September 1991. Okay, so these are the things guys, and the candidates are required to send neither any certificates or documents in support of their eligibility nor printout of the application form to the TNSET office. They have to simply apply through the online only. Okay, you need not to send any hard copies guys. And candidates having PG postgraduate diploma awarded by Indian University Institute or else a foreign degree diploma awarded by Foreign University Institute should ascertain the equivalence of their degree or diploma with master's degree of recognized Indian universities. Fine. And candidates other than the general category are required to mention their social status in the online application form. And the candidates may note that they should satisfy the eligibility conditions with reference to documents such as community certificate as well as a certificate related to the PWD. Fine. And so these are the things. So coming to the age limit, there is no upper age limit to apply for the TNSET, and the application fee 1500 rupees for the general candidates and 1250 rupees for these candidates, and 500 rupees for the SC, SCA, ST, PWD or the transgender candidates. Okay, and after filling up the details of online application form for TNSET 2021, the candidates have to select the option of payment of examination fee either by the credit card or the debit card or the net banking. Fee once paid, it will not be refunded at any cost. And coming to the scheme of test, total 2 papers will be there. Okay, paper 100 and paper 2 200. It is just like the UGC NET examination pattern guys. Okay, 50 questions from paper 1 and 100 questions from paper 2. Fine. And the paper 1 will consist of 50 multiple choice questions regarding the general awareness of the candidates and the reasoning ability, comprehension and the divergent thinking. And while coming to the paper 2, 100 objective questions type compulsory questions. There are no negative marks for the wrong answers guys. All the questions of paper 2 will be compulsory, covering the entire syllabi. And the subject and syllabus of the test you may take from the UGC NET online or else the CSIR HRD official websites. So for which subjects the TN set is going to conducting the examines, geography, and the medium of the question paper is also given here, chemical sciences, and the next one is commerce, next one is computer science and applications, economics, education, English, earth science, and the next one is life sciences, and journalism and mass communications, management, Hindi, history, law, mathematical sciences, and physical sciences, and physical education, philosophy, political science, psychology, public administration, sociology, and Tamil, library and information science, Sanskrit, and social work. So total from 26 subjects, the TN set is conducting the exam. So if you belongs to any one of the subjects, you may, and if you are interested, you may apply, guys, whenever the online registration link is opened in the official website. And those postgraduates who have passed the PG examination in more than one subject can appear for the TN set examination only in one subject at a time. Okay, so the nodal centers of examination are also given here. So you may note down the centers as well as the center code also. So please note that test center once selected is final and candidates will not be allowed for the changing of the center at any circumstances. So how to apply? Application has to be submitted through online only. Submission of online application is mandatory. Hard copies of application forms will not be accepted by the Annamalai University. Fine. So all of you please don't send the hard copy, guys, because again and again they are mentioning the same point. And coming to the steps for submission, so it is official website TNSCTAU. Okay, it is official website to apply the online, guys. And before applying online, the candidates are advised to go through the detailed notification available in the TNSET website. And you must be ready with recent passport size photograph and the signature in a JPG format, community certificate in the JPG format, as well as any caste certificates or else the PWD certificate. All these things must be ready with you. Okay. So these are all the details regarding this one, guys, and I will, okay, so please check down. And whenever the official notification, whenever the online registration link opened in the website, okay, that is tnsctau.in, then immediately I will come with one more mail, guys. I will invite you through my YouTube channel. So for that one, please subscribe the channel to get the regular notifications. Right? So after the examination of TNSET 2021, the answer key for all the papers will be displayed in the website, and the candidates can send their grievance along with the documentary evidence within 15 days from the date of publication of answer key to the given mail ID. Okay, guys. So these are the details, guys, and so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the TNSET notification. And for more details, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science, and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900 and for 3 months 2,823 and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6 month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. And this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.